Good afternoon, all. Wild Weather here for liveweatherblogs.com, and we want to take a look at what's going on in the Gulf of Mexico at this hour. This is Invest 96 AT, and here's the circulation here. This is satellite being brought to you by AccuWeather.com, and your broad low-level circulations right here. As you can see, all the thunderstorms and heavy rain associated with this 96 AT is well off to the east and northeast of the center. We have some upper level shear coming in here like this around the trough that you can see coming down from the northwest. So we got a pretty good jet going across the top of this causing the thunderstorms and other areas of precipitation to be sheared off to the northeast. Right now it looks to be that the center here is drifting off to the southwest, and that would be kind of in line with what the NAM and the Euro have been showing with this storm meandering in this direction. The Canadian model taking it up like this and then up into the Port Arthur, Texas area come later earlier next week. So we'll wait and see. Right now, certainly not all systems go for the storm because of the shear. The shear is definitely a limiting factor with this, and we'll see what happens over the next couple of days. This is likely to become a tropical depression probably sometime today. This is weatherunderground.com. The hurricane hunters are in there now, and they found 1,001, 1,002 millibar low, and that's right there. You can see the swirl. And the maximum surface wind found was 35 miles per hour. So it's close enough right now. It probably could be named a tropical storm, or tropical depression rather, maybe by 5 p.m. this afternoon. A week one at that, and it will continue to be slow going for development. Although it probably could become Tropical Storm Debbie, as long as the shear dies down sometime in the next day or two. With the model intensity, again, this is all from weatherunderground.com. The ship's model has it getting up to a 50-55 mile per hour tropical storm. The modest 40 mile per hour tropical storm by the IVCN model. We'll just wait and see what happens, folks, with this. Models are kind of all over the place with this. As you can see, the spread's basically 50-50. Here's a GFS. GFS comes up, takes it across near Tampa Bay, across the peninsula, Cape Canaveral, and then out to sea. The Lombard comes up this way, and here's the other models I was telling you coming toward Texas. So we'll wait and see. Nothing will be etched in stone probably until this time tomorrow to figure out where this is going to go. Right now, it remains disorganized, and we'll leave it at that. Right now, here's Intellicast.com. You can see all of the rain in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. It's staying out over the water for now, but if this system does decide to start pulling off in this direction, just imagine all this heavy rain, probably 2 to 4 inch amounts in 3-4 hours. It's going to be parked over Florida for quite some time, and the GFS does definitely show up to 10 to 15 inches of rain in some parts of the Florida Peninsula coming up in the next day or two. So keep an eye on that. Up here in our neck of the woods, isolated thunderstorm right there on the coast of New Jersey. Let's go in there. Right here, not too far from Atlantic City, isolated cells popped up, a little sea breeze front coming in there. We'll see if there's any other action, maybe develops further to the north, and maybe it comes down. A little bit of cold air aloft, and I'll show you that. A little bit of cold air aloft down here. We'll see what happens. This is Wild Weather for liveweatherblogs.com, hoping that you all have a great day.